I'm Melissa from Nature's Garden.
And I'm Shelby.
Today we're going to be making hair conditioners using two of our brand new fragrance oils, pineapple coconut water.
And we also have a coconut Shea.
Let's whip it up! All right, so as you can see, we have Shelby with us. Shelby is brand new to the Nature's Garden team. We are so excited to have her, and today we're going to teach her how to make a hair conditioner.
I am super excited to learn how to make a hair conditioner today.
All right, so the first step to making a conditioner is the water phase. For the water phase, we're going to take water and boil it up to 180 degrees, hold it there for about 20 minutes. And what that's going to do is that's going to kill any kind of bacteria or contaminants that are in the water.
Okay.
However, we are going to kick it up a little bit. We're going to add some herbs and powders to our conditioners to customize them a little more to our personal needs.
Okay.
So I chose calendula. Calendula is great for blondes. It's gonna bring out a lot of the blonde highlights that are naturally in your hair. It also is a great antioxidant and it helps to thicken the hair and really protect the scalp as well. And Shelby, what did you choose to put in?
I chose to do cocoa powder. Now, cocoa powder is good for brunettes, and it also is going to help with hair growth, and it also helps with shine and volume in your hair.
Okay, so we've each prepared 3 tea bags, and we're going to add it to our water. Now, ultimately, we will need 425 grams of the tea that we're creating for our recipe. So you want to make sure that you put a little bit of extra in the pot because some will evaporate as you are creating your tea, tea portion. All right, Shelby, so while we're waiting for our water, we're going to go ahead and prepare our oil phase. So there's a few ingredients that we're using. We also have customized our conditioners for our hair using an avocado oil as well as a macadamia nut oil. I chose the macadamia nut oil. Macadamia nut oil is great for dry, frizzy hair. I have curly hair, it gets very frizzy. And Shelby chose avocado oil. Why did you choose the avocado oil?
I chose avocado oil because I have very, very thick hair. So avocado oil is going to help keep it moisturized, but not too greasy. And it's also going to help as a detangler too.
Perfect. So we have a lot of oils that we carry. Each one you can customize your own conditioner. I'm going to put a link in the description to a blog that we wrote that talks about the different types of oils and the different properties that it has, as well as how it will help your hair. So now let's weigh out all of our oil. And the first thing that we're going to do is put our carrier oil. So you have the avocado oil, I have the macadamia nut oil. So we'll go ahead and add that to our pot. And this is 20 grams of each oil. Next, we have the BTMS. The BTMS, we're doing 25 grams. Lastly, we have the vegetable glycerin, and we're doing 25 grams of the vegetable glycerin as well. Finally, we're just going to take this over and melt them. We're going to put them in a double boiler so that they don't get scorched or too hot too fast.
Okay.
Okay, so we've already weighed out 425 grams of our tea. We've also melted our oils. Now we're going to wait for them to come to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to combine the two. Okay, all right. Let's go ahead and we're going to add our oils to our water, and then we're going to stick blend. Okay, Shelby, so now that we have everything blended together, we're going to add a few more ingredients. We have Optiphen, we're adding 5 grams. Optiphen is a preservative, so you wanna add the Optiphen in between 120 and 140 degrees. If you add it above the 140 degrees, it's going to burn off, so you won't have a preservative in your product. If you add it below the 120 degree mark, you can get some separation, so you really wanna be careful of when you add it. We're also adding our vitamin E oil, and we have 5 grams of the vitamin E oil. Finally, we have the fragrances. So I am using pineapple coconut water, and Shelby's using the coconut Shea, and we're gonna go ahead and get these added, and then we're going to stick blend our conditioner again. All right, so as you can see, your conditioner is a little bit thin. It's going to cool to room temperature before we add it to our bottles. As it cools, it's going to thicken. Okay. So it'll be a nice conditioner consistency. All right, so now we're just going to wait for it to cool down and then we'll go ahead and get it put into our bottles.
Okay.
All right, so now that our conditioner has come to room temperature, we're gonna look at the consistency a little bit just so you can see how much it has thickened up. It's nice and thick, and we are going to add it to our bottles. There's a few ways that we can do this. Today we're going to use a funnel. If you have like a decorating bag, you can also use a decorating bag and pipe it in there. Okay. But we're gonna use a funnel today. So just put your funnel right on your bottle. And we are just going to simply pour it in. You just have to kind of watch because you don't want to overflow your bottle. Oh, that's all right. You got another shot. Okay, so Shelby, how did you like making your first project?
I loved it. It was super easy. I cannot wait for my next project. I am ready.
All right. And what do you think of the new fragrance oil?
I love it. You know, it reminds me of a day at the beach.
It is a vacation in a bottle.
It is.
All right, until next time, make sure you check out our website at www.naturesgardencandles.com. Also, make sure that you subscribe and like the video and comment below. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.